Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again. It is January, and January 14th to be exact, and we're there with another Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I get in my January box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, this top is gonna annoy me. So let's go. So this is my January box. It's a baby box, you know, the base box. So what is the paper? Where is the paper? So we're not gonna look at the prices, but this month it's Boxycharm. It's refresh is the theme. So we're gonna put it over here. First item I have in my box is from Dragon Beauty, and it's lip job liner plus lip pencil sharpener. So it's a liner and a sharpener. This thing is like quite long. Like, look at this. Okay, so the sharpener looks like so, you know, just a regular little sharpener thingy. It looks like so. I'll put it in here because I'm always like losing a sharpener. And then this lip liner is like a brown. Looks like so. So yeah. Doesn't feel that creamy though. So yeah. Oh, look at this. The next item is a lipstick, and this is from Context. I've never heard of that brand before. It's a matte lipstick from Context. Just, you know, a regular bullet. Oh, this is pretty, and it looks like so. This is a pretty lipstick. It's a nice nude, kind of a mauve-y, pinky nude. Look at the size of these hoops I'm wearing. I usually don't wear that big hoops, but okay. The other thing from my box is from Laura Geller. It's Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Did you see a theme? I actually already had 3 products from, right? The 3? Yeah, 3 products that was like makeup. Because, you know, primer is makeup, and so is the lip liner, and oh, Boxycharm, maybe, you know, see I'm giving them a hard time. I'm joking. I'm pretty sure Boxycharm don't see me say anything to them. So this is a it's Hydrate, moisturizes and replenishes. So let's see. There's no smell to it. It's just no tack, no tack. So we're gonna try that today. The other item on here is from Demelec, and it looks like it's an eyelid and dark circle corrector. So she looks like so. Dark circles. Looks like I pop this out. Oh, ooh, I love these. Like, that has like this, because when you put this on here, even without any product, like, this feels so good. Like, it's nice. But this is something I'll have to try, I guess, when I'm not, you know, recording. Okay, and the final item on here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I have a palette. Oh my god. I haven't gotten a palette from Boxycharm in literally a year. So we're gonna open her up like so. The lipstick has like a kind of coconut smell. So this palette is from Wonder Beauty, and it's Wanderess Escape, and she looks like so. There's a mirror, which is always good. It's a little bit on the boring side, you know, that's not really my type, but you know what? Let's test a couple of the shades. Ooh, that just disappeared. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I forgot I had this thing of wipes downstairs, and I just found it. So I'm like, woohoo! Girl, we need some wipes. I think I'm actually gonna put eyeshadow guards today, just so I can create like a quick look, because that palette doesn't look like it's a lot happening. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I know. That's what happens when I drink coffee at 7 o'clock in the night. I'm never going to sleep tonight, ever. I'm gonna jump into this palette. Let's go into with a white 216. So first we're gonna go into this dark brown shade right here called Overnights, and I'm just gonna put that right here. This is the darkest shade, so whatever else we use, it has to go over top for, like, you know, a transition shade. This I don't like this already. And this is very, like, it's like it's just breaking apart in the pan. There's a lot of kickback, a lot of kickback, but you know what, we're gonna make it work. This is definitely a palette for the everyday person. Is that person me? Maybe not. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Enchanted and just blend the edges just a little bit. Just a little, nothing crazy, because this shade's just like, they just disappeared. I'm going back to that dark brown shade, but we're gonna use it just by itself. You know, I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I'm not gonna mix it with something else, because you know that would not be fair. So we're just gonna go ahead and use what they give us in the palettes, and I'm gonna use this L19 brush from LA Los Angeles. I always put some glitter glue here for my shimmers. This look is gonna be so quick and fast, guys. Like, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It's a T52 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into that blue called Sea Glass, and we're just gonna put that. Oh god. She's crazy. This is glitter, and guys, like, if you watch my channel for any, you know, period of time, you would know for sure glitter is not my thing, because it literally goes everywhere. And this look is something else. So I'm gonna go back to the brown. We're just gonna put that here. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, this is what I could come up with what I was given. Not my favorite look, but you know what, we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead with the primer, and it is from Laura Geller. It's the Sparkly Skin Perfecting Primer. So it kind of feels like a moisturizer, to be honest with you. Has a little bit of a glow, nothing crazy. I'm actually gonna use this from Juvia's Place. It's the foundation stick, and this shade is Grenada. I know I hear people say Granada, it's actually Grenada. I don't really like foundation sticks because I just feel like they don't give me that much coverage, but you know what, this is like the perfect match though. So see what I'm talking about when I say Not a lot of coverage. Like you can still see everything on the side of my face. Oh my god, I don't like this. Some concealer. What's this? See, I have the darker shades and I use this for my contour. It works fine for that. And now I'm just gonna go for 4 or 5 from Makeup by Yolondo. We're gonna blend these. I think I put a little bit too much on this side, but it's fine. It is fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend my concealer with my slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm not really going too much into like the products that I'm using that is not in the box. And just blend this. You know. Now let's go in, set it and forget it. Oh, right here. That is my flower powder from Beauty Bakery. And what shade is this? Yellow Cassava, which is my shade. And I'm gonna use my powder from Huda Beauty. I hate this foundation, like what it did to my face. Okay, let's jump to the eyes real quick and just finish up the eye. So we're gonna go into that dark shade, you know, because that's all we got. It is something else, but as I said, that's all I got. So I think I'm just gonna go into this shade right here called Moonlits, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Which you can barely see, but you know, it is what it is. And I'm gonna use Whirlpool from Marc Jacobs. Okay, for the lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use that lip. This one is, I don't even know what shade this is because I threw the box away, I guess. But this is from Nikki the Dragon. Oh no, we'll see. And we're gonna use that lipstick. This one is 116 Tears of Falling, and it's from Context Beauty. So we're gonna go in with the deep bronze, and I'm gonna use this brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, and this is a number 2 Pro brush. And we're gonna jump in to this. This is from She Glam, and I'm just gonna go in with all the shades. So annoyed. Let's just put a little bit, just a little bit of highlighter. Okay, let me put back on my hoops, you know, my massive hoops. Okay, so let's go over the products that I got in my box. Let me grab my handy dandy phone. This, you know, as I said before, this theme is called Refresh. The first item on here is the Wonder Beauty eyeshadow palette, which I hated. I hate that palette with a passion, and that palette was $42. I would never spend $42 on that. I wouldn't spend $5 on it. The brown shade was very like powdery and it just like kick up like crazy. And that blue, like I had to just keep piling it up and it's just, I hate it. Featuring Hydrate is added to help. Terrible. The next item on here is, it's from Dermalect and that is the dark circle corrector. It's powered by multi-peptide and tightening agents. This eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, and I think it does because of that, you know, kind of like metally thingy. That's $59. The other item on there is from Laura Geller. It is the hydrating primer and that's $32. I don't know how I feel about that because my foundation just did like something weird, but this is the first time I'm actually using that product as a foundation. Usually I just use it as a contour stick, so I don't know for sure if it was the primer or if it was the foundation or just two of them together just didn't go. So what I will do is I will use that primer by itself or with a foundation that I know and love and I know works great, and then, you know, I'll give you guys some feedback on it. Cool? Cool. So the next item on here is from Context Beauty, which is the matte liquid lipstick. The lipstick feels amazing. So that is $20, just in a regular price for like a bullet lipstick, I guess. And then the lip liner is $18. I did not like the lip liner. I feel like it was very drying, you know, not my thing. But it says here, it's wild because it's a contour reshape and create your ultimate lip fantasy with XXXX True Long Lip Pencil, ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula says fuller lips needed free. No, that was very scratchy. Okay, so my total box for this month is $171. I'm actually like, even if I did not like the eyeshadow palette, I'm actually happy that, you know, like this month's palette is very, how should I put that, at least it has makeup, because like 4 of my 5 products was makeup, so I like that because, you know, that's what I signed up for Boxycharm for. So yeah guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.